Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayla and welcome. So I'm very excited to finally be back on my normal uploading routine. I've been away for a few weeks and the reason why is because I've been working on a couple of things for y'all. Number one, I am designing a brand new blog layout. It's gonna allow you to categorize and sort through my recipes to make it a lot easier for you to access certain recipes based on, for instance, if you only want keto recipes or paleo recipes, you can sort that way, or you can sort just breakfast recipes. So it's gonna be a lot easier for you guys to really go through my recipes. The load time is gonna be faster. You can print them off right there. And also I've been working on my first supplement plan, which is the adrenal fatigue supplement plan. And it's actually live and available to purchase right now. It's on sale right now for only $14.95. But basically it's a targeted supplement routine that helps to restore and re-energize your adrenal glands. If you experience frequent low energy, fatigue, you just feel overwhelmed with life and you get stressed out very easily, that's directly related to your adrenal glands. So if that sounds like you, then you could benefit greatly from this targeted supplement plan, and I am gonna go ahead and leave that link for y'all below. Anyway, let's get to the topic of today's video. Today I'm gonna be talking about the benefits of drinking a smoothie and what it can do for your body if you drink it on a daily basis. Now, I want to point out that a lot of smoothie recipes out there are too high in sugar and fruits, and all that's going to do is spike your blood sugar, which is going to lead to more cravings, and it's ultimately going to spike your insulin as well, which is your fat storing hormone. So we definitely don't want to do that. So very quickly, I want to define what a healthy smoothie is, because if you are going to drink a smoothie on a daily basis, you need to make sure that it's healthy and full of nutrition. So number one is to start with a low sugar liquid base. So you can use water, unsweetened nut milks like almond milk, coconut milk, or you can even use a brewed green tea or brewed black tea or any sort of herbal tea as your base. Next, you want to make sure you get in some sort of fiber. So the way I like to do this is through leafy greens. So kale, spinach, romaine, arugula, things like that. And not only are leafy greens great for natural fiber content, but it's also going to help to naturally detox your body, detox your colon, and it contains essential trace minerals, which are very good for your overall health and immune system. You also want to make sure that you're getting in some sort of healthy fat. So avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, almond butter, MCT oil, any sort of healthy fat, because what that's going to do is it's going to keep you fuller a lot longer, and it's going to help to keep your blood sugar levels steady, which means that you won't get as many cravings. So this is very important, especially if you're going to be using a smoothie as a meal replacement to help speed up your weight loss results. By adding in healthy fats, it's going to help to keep you fuller in between meals. Now, when it comes to fruit, I'm not totally against fruit. My rule of thumb is to make sure that you do 1 serving or less of fruit per smoothie. Sometimes you can just do half a serving, and you don't always have to add fruit to a smoothie to make it taste good. You can use things like avocado and frozen cauliflower to get that smooth texture. But if you are going to do a fruit, make sure it's 1 serving or less. So 1 banana or even half a banana. You can do half a cup of frozen blueberries. Berries are great because they're already low in sugar anyway, but it still gives sort of a natural sweetness to the smoothie. And if you're not going to use fruit, or if you're going to use very little, you can still add something like stevia or a low carb sweetener to sweeten that smoothie up without adding all the sugar. And that sort of rounds out the base of my smoothie recipes. So I have a liquid, a fiber, a healthy fat, and sometimes a fruit. Now, where I get creative is where I'll start adding in things like superfood powder and matcha powder and collagen protein powder. And the reason I like to do this is because I look at my daily smoothie as a daily multivitamin. It's a great way to pack in as much nutrition into 1 drink as possible. Personally, I like to add the collagen protein every single day because not only does the protein help to keep you fuller even longer, but it's also great for your hair, skin, and nails. And then every now and then, like I said, I'll add some goji berry powder, a superfood powder for the vitamin C content, or maybe some matcha powder for extra energy and antioxidants. So at that point, once you've got the base of your smoothie, go ahead and get creative to increase the nutrient content as much as possible. Okay, so now that you know how to make a healthy smoothie recipe, I challenge y'all to drink a smoothie every day for 30 days straight. Now, if you're doing this to lose weight, then what I would suggest is to do it as a meal replacement. If you're not trying to lose weight, you're just trying to get healthier, then drink a smoothie every day in addition to your regular meals. But But when you do this and start drinking a smoothie every day, watch what happens to your body and your energy and your mental clarity. In fact, I'm gonna tell you right now 4 things that will happen to your body if you start drinking a healthy smoothie every single day. The first thing that's gonna happen is that your body is gonna naturally start to eliminate the built up waste in your colon thanks to the high fiber content in the smoothie. Now, you know, nowadays in the Western world with the Western diet, the standard American diet, people are just not getting enough natural fiber. And because of this, a lot of studies have actually suggested that the average Westerner has up to 10 pounds of built up waste in their colon. And what happens is when the waste is built up in your colon, the toxins can actually start to recirculate in your body if it doesn't get out fast enough. So we want to make sure that we're eliminating that excess waste fast, quickly, and naturally. And of course, the best way to do that is to make sure you're getting enough natural fiber in your daily diet. Of course, you can do that through salads and things like that, but I have found that the easiest way to make sure that I'm getting in my greens and my fiber is through drinking a daily smoothie. And another thing I want to mention is that chronic constipation or backed up waste in your colon can actually lead to low energy. So if you do experience low energy and constipation, that could be the culprit of why you feel so bad. So what I would suggest is, like I said, try drinking one of these high fiber green smoothies on a daily basis for 30 days and see if it helps to naturally get things moving. Because once you get that colon cleansed, it really does make a huge difference in your energy and just how light you feel and just how good you feel overall. Another thing that's gonna happen when you start to drink a healthy smoothie on a daily basis is you're gonna be flooding your body with essential vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and antioxidants on a daily basis. And what that does is it nourishes your body on a cellular level so that your organs and glands and every part of your body can function optimally. You know, not only is the Western diet low in fiber, but it's also low in nutrients as well. A lot of these processed foods and junk foods and fast foods, they're basically just empty calories. They contain very little, if any at all, vitamins and minerals. And so, you know, how do you expect your body to thrive and to be energized if you're not giving it the gasoline, the fuel, the vitamins and minerals that it needs to function at an optimal level? So one way that I like to make sure I'm getting in all of those essential nutrients is by drinking my smoothie every day. Now, I'm not perfect, you know, there's days that I miss, but I do try to get in my smoothie at least 5 days a week. Another thing I want to mention about smoothies is that you're consuming the whole food nutrition. This is not isolated synthetic nutrients created in a lab. You know, that's what you see in most of the supplements nowadays. And your body doesn't, you know, recognize those synthetic supplements as well, so it doesn't absorb them as effectively. When it's whole food nutrition, your body recognizes it, and so you're gonna absorb pretty much 100% of the nutrients in that food. And that's why I love smoothies so much, because whenever I try to get vitamins and minerals into my diet, I try to get it via whole foods or whole food supplements, because your body, like I said, is gonna recognize that a lot better. It's gonna absorb a lot better, which means that your body's actually getting the nutrition that it needs. Another thing that's gonna happen when you start drinking a smoothie on a daily basis is that you're gonna start experiencing more energy. You know, once you get all of that built up waste in your colon out and your colon is naturally cleansed and you start flooding your body with all of that whole food nutrition, that's a recipe for more energy. You see, ultimately, energy starts with our individual cells. So when you flood your body with whole food nutrition that your body actually recognizes and absorbs, it nourishes you on a cellular level, and that creates the foundation for your body to thrive. And ultimately, that's gonna increase your energy levels. And you know, a lot of the symptoms that we blame on old age nowadays is actually just a sign that your body is deficient on a cellular level. So you wanna make sure that you're recharging your body every single day by giving it the nutrition that it needs so that it can function at the highest levels. And of course, one of the easiest ways to make sure you're getting in the whole food nutrition is with a healthy smoothie. And the last thing I wanna mention is that if you drink a healthy smoothie every single day, it's gonna help you to reach your weight loss goals a lot faster. Now, what I suggest if you have weight to lose is replace 1 or 2 meals a day with one of these healthy smoothies. And I've had clients doing this for years. I always talk about this on my videos, but yes, my clients always see results with this. You just wanna make sure that it's a healthy, high fiber, nutrient dense smoothie that's not too high in sugar. But try this for at least 30 days. I'm telling you, the pounds will fall off. And actually on my carb cycling meal plans, I have a day called Thirsty Thursdays, where every Thursday on the meal plan, I have them consuming nothing but smoothies all day that day, and everybody loves it. They say they feel super energized on Thirsty Thursdays, and it actually helps them to sort of reset their taste buds, and of course helps to speed up their weight loss results. But yes, if you have weight to lose, then try replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with a healthy smoothie. And if you guys need smoothie ideas, I'm gonna list some recipes for y'all below. And even if you don't need to lose weight, like I said earlier, then just drink the smoothie in addition to your regular meals. All right, well, that is it for today's video. Again, I challenge y'all to drink a healthy, high fiber smoothie every day for 30 days and come back, comment on this video, and let me know how you feel. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And that's it for today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.